As of today, Jammu and Kashmir provides 60% reservation in professional colleges, while the rest 40% is for open category. The reserved category prominently includes 20% reservation for scheduled tribes, 8% each for both scheduled caste and OBCs, 10% each for backward areas and economically weaker sections, and another 4% for those living along LOC and international border. The communities like Gujjars and Bakarwals, who now come under scheduled tribe category, get 6% reservation in professional institutions, including medical colleges. Abrogation of Article 370 also ensured historic passage of the Constitution, Jammu and Kashmir Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill 2024 in the Parliament, granting scheduled tribe status to Pahadis, Padri tribes, Koli and Gadda Brahmin. It also ensured that seats now get reserved for SCs and STs in the State Assembly. Now, a section of influential Kashmir Muslims from the general category has opposed the existing reservation, seeking a more rationalized reservation policy, particularly in the medical entrance examination, popularly known as JNK NEET. They are backing merit on reservation. National Conference Lok Sabha member from Srinagar, Aga Sayyid Ruhollah Mehdi, has been a key participant in these protests. Even Chief Minister Omar Abdullah's son Zamir Abdullah had joined the protests for a while. Separatist leader Mirwais Umar Farooq too has extended his support for the merit. Kashmiris have started a social media campaign to oppose reservation in states' medical colleges. One Twitter handle named The Wooler even went to the extent of equating reservation with a calculated move to dismantle healthcare in JNK. JNK NEET result isn't about merit, it's a calculated move to dismantle healthcare. Tomorrow don't cry over medical negligence when today you are gifting MBBS seats to 300 mark non-meritorious candidate while real talent is sidelined, he writes on X. Similarly, another TL, Akib121, calls for abolition of reservation. He backs the economic criteria for reservation, RBA, OBC, ST. All these fraud reservations must be abolished in JNK. Fake OBC, RBA and ST too is scam in Kashmir. The reserved elites should no longer enjoy the benefits of reservation. Instead, ease eligibility criteria for EWS so that true needy students get that, he writes in X.